Hello there, welcome back to this video. Today in this video I'm gonna show you how you can clean up your WordPress database from garbage. First, go to your WordPress dashboard and then go to plugins. Click on add new plugin and here search for WP Optimize and install this plugin. Click on activate. After that, we have to take a backup before clean up our WordPress database. So for backup our database, we need to install another plugin. Here, search for WP Reset. Install this. Activate. Now hover over the tools and then go to the WP Reset. Now on the top bar, here you will see Reset Tools Snapshots. So just click on Snapshots and then click on create a snapshot and here type a name, click on create snapshot and our database will be stored. Click on OK and this is our database backup. Now you can download this. Okay. Now on the left panel, go to the WP Optimize and then go to the database. Now we are going to clean up our database. First, click on tables. Now here you will see unnecessary tables. Here you can see this is not installed, so you can delete this. Click on remove. Click on I confirm. Remove the table. Remove. Okay, so we have removed the unnecessary table. Now go to optimization and then click on this tick mark. Now just go to the run all selected optimization. Now all database will be clean up. So we have successfully cleaned up our WordPress database from garbage. So this is how you can clean up your database. So if this video helped you, hit the like button and subscribe this channel. Thanks for watching.